the sexual assault case against 5 players from Canada's 2018 World Junior Hockey team enters a new phase today. Lawyers for the players will be in London, Ontario. They'll be in court. Carter Hart, Alex Fermenton, Cal Foote, Dylan Dubé, and Michael McLeod are each charged with 1 count of sexual assault. McLeod is also charged with being a party to the offense. The charges stem from an alleged sexual assault after a Hockey Canada gala in London in June of 2018. CTV's Adrian Ghobrial is standing by in London for us this morning outside of court. Adrian, good morning to you. What can we expect to happen this morning?
Well, we know that it's first on the docket inside the courthouse this morning here in London, Ontario. We know through their lawyers that they have said that the individuals, the accused, will be pleading not guilty. We're also going to hear whether or not there's a publication ban, Marcia. This is a story of national interest. It has almost transcended sport in Canada to a larger conversation, and so we're going to hear what the courts are going to put in place for the hearings ahead. We also have our colleagues inside a courtroom right now. We're hearing that this first appearance is largely going to be virtual, though this is an important first day in an investigation, in a legal process, which has been ongoing for a number of years.
All right, I just want to hone in on one of the things you just said. The accused players are not expected to be there today, Adrian?
No, they are not expected to be here, and that's somewhat par for the course when it comes to first appearances. That they're sometimes if they are incarcerated or an accused is in jail, they might appear via video. That's not the case here, so we're not expecting the players to be in London, Ontario this morning. They may not even be appearing via video. Their lawyers will be taking this first hearing on themselves, and they'll move forward from there.
And then later this afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, we are expecting a highly anticipated news conference from police in London to get underway. A news conference garnering so much interest, police needed to move it to a larger venue to accommodate all of the media. Adrian, what are we watching for this afternoon from London Police?
Well, we're going to see just how much information they're really going to share with the public. This is, again, as we've mentioned, a story of national interest. Back in 2018, the alleged victim did go to police, did give a statement. Police opened an investigation. Then in February of 2019, they declined to lay any charges. Now, years later, they have laid multiple charges of sexual assault. So one of the big questions today at this press conference is going to be, what new evidence do they have? What new evidence have led to these charges? Because the defense, the attorneys for the accused are going to be questioning that inside the courtroom. We do know there's been multiple media reports that there was a group chat among the players, and that during the first investigation, that group chat wasn't part of the police investigation, but that was a part of the second police investigation. So we're going to be waiting to hear what police have to say about new evidence that they have, perhaps if other players from that World Junior team have been cooperating with police, if we can expect them to be part of this legal process. We're going to have to wait and hear.
All right, Adrian Ghobrial outside the London court for us this morning. Adrian, thank you for that.